Hi, I'm Kamini Patel on India Food Network. Don't forget to click on the bell icon for notifications for our new videos. We're doing summer special salads to help you beat the heat. Today's recipe is going to be an avocado and mango summer salad. Don't forget to take a screenshot of the ingredients to help you make the recipe easy in the kitchen. So we're going to start by making the dressing, which has a base of olive oil. I recommend to use extra virgin olive oil, an equal amount of balsamic vinegar. For summer freshness, orange juice, about ½ cup. For some spice, red chili. And I like to marinate my onions in the dressing just a little bit. By doing so, you're sort of mellowing the spiciness of the onions. And a good amount of nice orange zest. Some sea salt and some pepper. Just give that a good whisk. And you can set this aside and prepare the remaining ingredients. I have fresh chives here, which I'm going to finely chop. And now we're going to go for the celery. Again, you want them finely chopped. These add the good amount of crunch. So I'm going to put the celery aside and now just assemble my salad. So we start with the base, which we're going to use fresh mint leaves, which are super cooling for the summer. We're going to add fresh mango slices. Some avocado slices. Some fresh orange slices. So we're going to add our chopped celery, our chopped chives. We're going to add, for crunch, almonds, some pumpkin seeds, and some flax seeds. And then finally, our summer salad dressing. And for a final garnish, some long strands of fresh chives. So there you have it, the summer salad with avocado and mangoes. I hope you like this recipe. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video and subscribe to our channel. See you soon.